exciting results in plastics. For best results, a pilot hole is drilled before thermal drilling. This prevents the bottom of the bushing from rupturing. This test is using polypropylene pipe. When making bushings in plastics, the necessary heat cannot be generated by friction. The pipe must be preheated. When the bushing is complete, the drill is turned off, allowing the bushing to cool around the tool. This prevents too much shrinkage and assures consistent hole diameters. An air blast is used to speed cooling. Cooling time for this sample was about 3 minutes. Here is another example in PVC pipe. From these sectioned views, it is easy to see the smoothness and consistent wall thickness and length of the bushings. Thread strength of a cold-formed tapped bushing is tested in this example. It involves 11-gauge mild steel tapped for an 8mm screw. Tensile strength of the screw is almost 9,700 pounds. Minimum acceptable tensile strength of the threads is about 5,350 pounds, according to German standard 267.11. In this test, the screw broke first. In further tests, the minimum strength of threads recorded was 9,180 pounds, exceeding the standard by 72%. Shear strength of the bushing is tested in this example. 2 strips of 18-gauge mild steel are joined using a 208,000th of an inch diameter long drill. The strips are clamped together, drilled, and the bushing is formed using material from both. It is interesting to note that it is possible to join different materials and different thicknesses using this method. During this test, the sample piece slipped in the jaws of the tensile testing machine. This is evident by the flat section of this force and elongation curve. Shear strength of this bushing was 280 pounds. The Alfred Teves Company has been successfully using the flow drill thermal drilling process for over 2 years in the manufacture of struts. The operator loads the carousel, which rotates the part, into the drilling station. Between holes, the drill is coated with lubricant. A short drill with a countersinking collar is being used. After drilling, the part is indexed to the tapping head. The completed part is manually unloaded, and finally the finished product. This operation is manufacturing 300 parts per hour, but it is easy to see that flow drill thermal drilling and cold form tapping can be automated to much higher production levels. So whether your needs are hand drill applications or prototype work or full-scale production, flow drill thermal drilling can work for you. Flow drill, the chipless way to drill through sheet metal and thin-wall tubing.